The Virginia Scientists and Educators Alliance, or Virginia C, is a project that brings authentic scientific research to K-12 classrooms through the development of hands-on, inquiry-based lesson plans. Modeled after North Carolina's SIREN program, Virginia C engages graduate students to write lesson plans based on their research. These lesson plans are then tested by Virginia classroom teachers and made available to educators in Virginia and beyond through the Virginia C website. The Virginia C project is a collaboration between the Chesapeake Bay National Estuarine Research Reserve in Virginia, the Virginia Institute of Marine Science Marine Advisory Program, and Virginia Sea Grant Extension. Started with an initial cohort of 14 graduate students in 2016, the project has two main objectives: to improve young scientists' communication skills and to augment science content and practices for K-12 students. In order for research to benefit society, scientists must communicate their science to the general public. But scientists aren't always skilled at communicating their research at a level that most people can understand. By training science graduate students to develop inquiry-based lesson plans focused on their work, we can accomplish both goals. Scientists get to practice translating their research, and students get to practice doing science. Each school year begins a new cycle for Virginia C. Graduate students are recruited from various Virginia universities, with 10 to 12 new students participating each cycle. In August and September, training workshops are held to provide the graduate students with best practices in science communication, tips on developing lesson plans, and an opportunity to speak with classroom teachers about how their research fits in with science learning objectives. The grad students develop their activities during the fall and submit a draft in early December. These drafts include a full lesson plan, accompanying PowerPoint, student handouts, and teacher answer keys. VIMS educators then review those lesson plans to make sure they're complete and distribute them to classroom teachers for pilot testing. In January and February, the teachers test the classroom lessons with their own students and provide feedback to the grad students by early March. The grad students then have about a month to revise their lesson plans based on that feedback and share their lessons at the annual Virginia C Lesson Plan Expo held each April. Since the project began, 48 Virginia C graduate students have created 54 lesson plans. These lesson plans have been downloaded more than 10,000 times by educators in 141 countries around the world. 12 more lesson plans are currently being developed and will be released at this spring's expo. The complete Virginia C lesson plan collection, as well as information about the annual Lesson Plan Expo, can be found at vims.edu/VirginiaC. That's vims.edu/VASEA. If you have any further questions or want some more information about the project, please feel free to contact any of these Virginia C educators.